Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW, guys, 5 Series such as E60, E61 and you're trying to find and locate, guys, your Vanos Solenoid, where it's located, you have two of them, intake, exhaust, and we'll show you how to replace them. It actually may work on generation, guys, F10 with the 6-cylinder engine if you have N53, N54 or N55 engine. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me show you what we have here now. This is, guys, the engine with everything being taken apart. We can show you with a great detail how to replace the Vanos solenoids and where they're located. Also, this is, guys, our main channel. It's called Auto Repair, guys. We have helped more than 69 million people and we have very helpful information on BMWs there, so check it out, guys. You can find information that can save you thousands of dollars. Now, two very important facts that we're going to share as we go. Make sure to stay until the end. With everything being wide open, guys, okay, everything being wide open, we can show you now where the Vanos solenoids are located. If you come, okay, check it out, that's your BMW emblem on the valve cover. If you come down, that's where your Vanos solenoids are located. Now, how do you recognize which one is intake, which one is exhaust? Pretty simple. The intake side of your engine is the right side of the engine, facing the engine. The left side is where the exhaust manifold is located. And that's why you have the intake camshaft position sensor and the exhaust camshaft position sensor respectively on the right and the left side. Now, facing that way, the top solenoid, okay, the Vanos solenoid is intake Vanos solenoid. The bottom one is exhaust, because the top one you can see it's more to the right. Now, if you have a better one, guys, a bad solenoid, we have a video that explains how to clean it. We cleaned ours in the past and we haven't had any problems for the last 20,000 miles. Number two, we have a video that explains how to test them. I'll try to put the links in the description of the video below. But how you remove and replace the solenoids? Pretty simple. You press right here, okay, that metal plate, you press down, and at the same time, okay, you disconnect the wiring harness. Now you need to get a tool that fits your bolt. It should be a reverse Torx, but in our case it's a 10mm, and we're just going to go ahead, okay, and remove the bolts. Now, it's very important everything to be super clean around the engine and not to contaminate it. Okay, let's say not to get dirt, dust or anything like that stuck inside. Now, we'll grab it. You may leak some oil out, so get a rag, okay, like that. And all that can be done without taking the radiators or radiator fan of the vehicle, guys. Now, that O-ring, make sure that it's staying on the Vanos. Sometimes it will be stuck right there. If it's stuck, just grab it with your finger and pull it out, and be very careful that it doesn't fall inside your engine. So this is, guys, the Vanos. If you need to clean it and test it, we have a video, as I said, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.